So Shad Kriyas are different techniques of purification. Nauli. So Nauli is first releasing these middle muscles, and then when So another aspect of what the students are taught during the course is called the Kriyas. So Kriyas are cleansing exercises that have been developed to assist the body in its own cleansing processes. And the Kriyas are categorized or divided by where they work. So we have one which deals with the eyes, and then the whole respiratory system, upper respiratory system, the like throat area, and then going down to the lungs. And also we have the ones that deal with the digestive system. Again, for the upper digestive system, for the esophagus, the stomach, and also the intestines, and the lower part of the intestine, the large intestine, the rectum. So the yogis have devised these techniques in order to assist the body. And some of these kriyas are practiced in a daily basis, which are very efficient in what they do. One being the Kapalabhati, which is the pumping the air, with rapid contractions in the abdomen, pumping the air out, so that moves a lot of air in and out of the lungs, oxygenates the blood, and clears a lot of CO2 from our blood. You guys, Kapalabhati doesn't come under pranayamas, come under kriyas. It's a cleansing for the respiratory system. Okay? Mainly let's say the nostrils and all that, kind of you're just pushing all the air out, cleansing the respiratory system.
Shoulders wide, hands on top of your knees, chin mudra, the index and the thumbs touching. Keeping your eyes closed. We take 2 breaths together before we start with Kapalabhati. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhaling for the first round of pumping. Inhale. And begin.
And another kriya which is very efficient also, it's called the jalaneti. So jalaneti is the cleansing of pretty much the nose and the sinuses, the upper respiratory system. And that is done with lukewarm water with a little bit of salt. Okay, we have there's something called we call it the netti pot. Okay, it's like a small pot in which facilitates the practitioner to have the water running from one nose to another, which clears the mucus, which makes helps the system in clearing up, and makes the breathing better, and it alleviates a lot of symptoms of colds and flus, and whenever we have stuffed nose and all that, and it prevents also the infections to come as easy. So we can start. So we start with the neti pots and all that. So you guys see what all that looks like.
So after the neti, you do that?
Yeah, you do the jalaneti, the water. Then you do the sutra neti. And just breathe through the mouth. Okay, and then the water will just flow from one nostril to the other and come out on the other nostril. And after you use your Kapalabhati power and you blow your nose. So you can... Because your nose, by the miracles of God, it is connected to the mouth, right? And you just floss it. And it feels really good actually. It looks weird, but it all feels nice.
Where did it go?
It's beautiful.
it was good? You just had to...
During the course, we also show the students for all the techniques of the Kriyas, for the cleansing the esophagus, for cleansing the stomach, and with some of them we demonstrate, which students also will practice. Some of them we cover the theory, the benefits, and kind of the theory of how to do them. And one of them being the cleansing of the esophagus and the stomach with gauze, okay, which is also done with lukewarm water, and the traditional was done with like cotton, like a cotton cloth that is swallowed, okay, like keeping like a long piece of cloth, and that goes into the esophagus, into the stomach, and then that's pulled out, and also that removes all the mucus from the digestive system. There's a Kunja Kriya, another one which is called that we kind of will demonstrate, and the students have the chance to practice during the course, and that is the drinking of kind of lukewarm water with a little bit of salt also, and that is drunk, the drinking several cups of that water, and then that is all thrown back out. Okay, so that is to cleanse the stomach. Okay, so that is also done with an empty stomach, probably with a fasting the previous day. And there are other kriyas also which the students are taught, okay, which are beneficial, and like can be done in a once in a while. That can be done just to help the body in the purification of the body. It actually rubs on the mucous membranes, right? If you get the proper ones that actually rub, you rub and you take all the dead skin and whatever that lines all your cavities.